Okay, so kingdom Protista classification. Kingdom Protista can be classified into 5 parts: Chrysophytes, Dinoflagellates, Euglenoids, slime molds, and protozoans. So first of all, Chrysophytes. What are these Chrysophytes? As its name suggests, phytes. Uh, Phytes means plants like. Okay. So what kind of organisms comes under this? Diatoms and golden algae comes under this part of Protista, that is Chrysophytes. What are the organisms? Diatoms and golden algae. Okay. Now these Chrysophytes are fresh water as well as marine water. They are found either in the fresh water like river, pond water, lakes, or in the marine, sea, ocean, etc. These are phytoplanktons and floats along with water current. Phytoplanktons means the microscopic plant-like organisms which are found in the sea and ocean, water bodies. And these floats along with the water current. Water current के साथ ये बहता रहता है water में. Mostly photosynthetic. Most of the chrysophytes are photosynthetic. Of course, these are photosynthetic. Apart from these, few more are comes under this category. So phytoplanktons are photosynthetic mostly and known as chief producer in ocean. They are chief producer in ocean. In the ocean, these are the organisms which are responsible for photosynthesis and preparation of their food, producer, okay, which can prepare their own food inside their body. These are mainly chrysophytes. Then if we talk about cell wall is having silica is embedded in the cell wall, some granular kind of material, that is silica kind of structure material is found in the cell wall. And cell wall is basically, there is a form of two thin overlapping shells. There are two cells which overlap each other like this, like a box, like a soap box. Soap box में हम कैसे एक के ऊपर एक को बंद करते हैं, like that it forms. And when the diatoms are dead, or you can say when their life is over, or if it is not over, then also they left large amount of cell wall deposits in waterbed. Of course, when they are alive, they won't release the things. But when they are not alive, so much amount of cell wall deposits. Cell wall के अंदर जो कुछ भी होता है वो deposit हो जाता है. कहाँ पे? In their habitat, in the waterbed. जहाँ पे वो है water में. Waterbed, water के floor पे. Sea bed, ocean bed, whatever it is. So वहाँ पे cell wall deposits हो जाते हैं. And what is found in the cell wall? Silica-like things are, granular kind of things are found in the cell wall. So all those things goes finally to their habitat on the water bodies, on the bed of water bodies. So such kind of situation is called, the part of that part of earth is called diatomeous earth. Diatomeous earth, because remains of diatoms are found on that part of earth. Then this gritty soil used, this gritty means the soil which is having silica-like material is gritty, granular. So that this gritty soil used for polishing, to polish something, for filtration of oil and syrup. So see how useful are these diatoms. Even after their remains are found in the soil, those remains are also useful for polishing, for filtration, for syrups and all. Okay, now we will discuss about dinoflagellates. So next is dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates are a kind of protista which are mostly marine. That means they are found in sea and ocean, and they are photosynthetics. That means they can produce, they can prepare their own food. And for your information, they are the second biggest producer in ocean after chrysophytes. Chrysophytes are the biggest producer, and these are the second biggest producer after chrysophytes. Okay, and the colors, if we talk about the color which appears, the dinoflagellate appear might be yellow, green, brown, red, blue. That depends upon the pigments which are found in the dinoflagellates. If yellow pigment appears yellow, if green then appears green, and so on. Cell wall. Cell wall is having stiff cellulose plates on outer surface. The outer surface of cell wall contains stiff cellulose plates. And what we studied in the Chrysophytes, the cell wall is having embedded with silica, and here it is stiff cellulose plates. Now next is flagella. There are two flagella, dinoflagellates. Di means two flagellates. The organisms are having two flagella. Two flagella. One is longitudinal, this one. Another is transverse, this one. Transverse flagella, as you can see, it fits in the gaps of the body, and longitudinal. So two flagellas are found which helps in movement, of course. And this is an example of red dinoflagellate, goniolox. And because of this dinoflagellate, this goniolox, the sea appears red. And because of the red tides, because of the so much deposition of this dinoflagellate, basically what happens, this red dinoflagellate goniolox multiplies rapidly, and because of quick multiplication, its number grows and its red color appears in the sea tides in the sea. So it appears red. Now it releases, dinoflagellates releases lots of toxins in the sea, in the ocean, and because of that the aquatic organisms might be get killed, like fishes might be killed because of such dinoflagellates. So we studied second. In the next video we'll study about euglena, euglenoids.